Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper for July 29th, 2019. So it's going to be a very exciting week. Yes, you guys know, Wednesday, we have the Fed meeting. Are they going to raise rates? I don't think so. We're so done with that one, right? Are they going to lower rates or are they going to keep them unchanged? And how is the market going to react to that? Well, hopefully we'll have a couple of exciting days or not, probably, before they do come out. You know, a lot of times we don't have too much movement until Wednesday. So be patient. Okay, be patient and wait for those trade setups. I actually didn't see too much stuff that I was absolutely in love with this morning, but we do have some major levels to watch. So let's start with the SPY. The SPY, we're going to be bullish above 302 today. That's a really big level. First target, 302.50. Those $2.50 increments are powerful. So I do expect sellers to come on in, especially the first time we hit that. I'm going to be bearish below 380. We have very little dark pool action coming in on the SPYs over the past couple weeks, but I'll let you know when they do start to sell. ES, the E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 30.25. We already just started to lift off this morning. Bearish below 30.19 for those. The Russell's chart looks really interesting. Yeah, the 4 crossed over the 8. We have major volume that's come in. Today we're going to be bullish above 157.25. Bearish below 156.70. The QQQs, we're going to be bullish above 195.20. And we are sitting on that right now. We're going to be bearish below 194.75. So the NASDAQ futures, I posted that out early. Hope you guys took that. I know I do have some followers that are trading the NASDAQ futures. So hope you got this trade this morning. As we were approaching that 80.20, I did send out a push notification that I was bullish above 80.20. We hit 2 targets so far. Watch this 80.30 for this second test. All right, if we can break above that, yep, that's another great entry for you guys. The oil futures bullish above 56.40, bearish below 55.87, and gold futures. Yeah, let's look at the gold futures here. Yeah, we're going to be bullish above 1437.50. And we are above that channel trend line, by the way. Oops, hold on a sec. Yeah, 1437. We had some really high volume that came in here. Yep, in the middle of the night when we were all sleeping. And that's why I'm going to be bullish if we do break above that for the gold futures. Going to be bearish below 1430 for a retracement trade down to the pivot. Okay, let's start with Starbucks. So Starbucks, I'm going to be bullish above 98.25. All right, if we can break above that, I'm just checking out this 5-minute chart, right? And I'm watching this simple 50 moving average. This is so key on a short-term chart. So therefore, yep, I'll be bullish if we do break above that. However, there was a buyer on the ARCA book at 97.40. So let's see if he's still there. Let's check it out. Oh, there he is. See that guy? Oh, yeah. Yep, that's institutions loaded to buy at 97.40. So I'm only going to be bearish if we do break below that. And watch, when we come down there, if you have the ARCA book, watch and see if that guy is spoofing. Spoofing means he's going to move his order down. He doesn't really want to buy it there. He's faking it. Or if he's for real and he stands his ground and he gets hit, he gets executed. That's what I watch for. If you don't have the ARCA book, then you are trading blind. You need to know where these guys are buying and selling. I use the ARCA book and the NASDAQ book viewer known as the iNet. And this, yeah, these are great. Everybody has access to this. So definitely ask your broker about it if you don't have it already. So those are levels I'm watching for Starbucks. Let's go to AMD. So AMD has earnings tomorrow and could get a really nice move today, but trading the stock is going to be your best bet. The options are definitely very pricey this week due to the earnings coming out. So I'll be bullish above 34.37 and I'll be bearish below 33.50. That's really far below. I didn't really love it on the downside because we had massive prints and we are so far above that and we're so close to this 4. So really watching it for the long trade. But if we do get big prints in today, then absolutely trade off of those. Beyond has earnings after the close. Please be careful. Don't gamble into earnings. Okay, it's great to trade it before, great to trade it afterwards. But if you're going to jump into this, you know, into earnings, you're gambling. Okay, just gonna tell it like it is. Bullish above 241.60 and bearish below 230. We just went below that level right now. It's a retracement trade back down to the 4 EMA. All right, so please be careful. Great to trade it today, but if you're going to hold it, put on some protective puts just in case. All right, let me just go to the next one, TSEM. Oh, and speaking of Beyond, congratulations to Otis, trader of, I want to say the month, Otis. Yeah, we never had a trader of the month. We've had traders of the year. In fact, Leslie is the trader of the year this year. But Otis, you are the trader of the month. You worked so hard. And I know you worked hard because I get the emails, I get the phone calls, and I love it. It means you want to learn, and I'm happy to teach you. Just keep up the good work. Just keep increasing your share size. I'm not even going to say how much money he made last month, but more than what most people make in a few years. So again, hard work pays off. And for me, being a coach and a teacher, that's priceless. Yeah, so keep it up. All right, so TSEM, yeah, he rocked Beyond last week. That's why I brought it up. TSEM, we're going to be bullish above 2050 and bearish below 1975 for a retracement trade. XLU, yeah, you guys have to watch XLU this week. It's an ETF that 7 of its top holdings are reporting earnings this week. So I believe they're expecting about a 70-cent movement in the stock. Yep, with the options. But I think it could easily go more than that with 7 out of 10 top holdings reporting. So we have DSO. I did post them all here for you. All right, yeah, we'll probably put on a strangle trade. Yep, I got one for my boot campers, yep, today, which I'm going to share with you. But bullish above 60.50 and bearish below 59.50. Watch that. Pfizer, I'm not a big trader that likes to trade drugs, but Pfizer definitely had a big movement this morning. Please be careful. Yeah, if I'm going to trade this, it's going to be with options. Bullish above 43, bearish below 42. STM's a good one. We had big prints on this right about at this spot too, 1908. So I'm going to be bullish above the prints, bearish below, but 1925 is a really key level. Yeah, if we can break above that, I love it, and I will be bearish below 1880. Another stock I have my eye on, KR. Massive prints on this one. All right, we are above them right now, but watch the 2150 level. Bullish above 2150, bearish below 21. MYL, Dave B called this one out. On MYL, I love it. Bullish above 2150, bearish below 2075. And just keep an eye on the banks. There's not that much volume this morning, but we did have a lot of prints on it last week. I called those out on Wells Fargo and BAC and XLF. Not sure if they're going to move before the Fed or not. Sometimes they move about an hour before the meeting. They kind of go sideways for 2 days, and then all of a sudden we start to move. But definitely after the meeting, we are going to attack these. All right, so I will be bullish above 3112, and I'll be bearish below 3045. So there you have it. Those are your whispers of the day. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.